Welcome to Pip Insight, Wednesday, 15th of July, New York pre-open. This session, we have analyzed 8 Forex pairs and selected the 7 with the clearest technical picture, 5 showing bullish structure and 2 showing bearish structure. Every chart shows support and resistance zones and moving average alignment so you can see the technical picture at a glance. Let's get into it. Here is today's New York pre-open chart analysis. Pairs showing bullish structure, pound dollar, dollar yen, Aussie dollar, Kiwi dollar, pound yen. Pairs showing bearish structure, gold dollar, dollar Canada. Full chart breakdown for each pair coming up now. Remember, this is educational content only, not financial advice. If you're here for the gold analysis, you're in the right place. And today, there's a lot to unpack. Gold is sitting right at its daily pivot around $4,042, and the overall picture leans moderately bearish. On the 4-hour chart, price has been grinding lower since that sharp rejection from the $4,127 area earlier this week. We saw a brief recovery spike all the way up to $4,112 on Monday, but sellers faded that move hard, and price has drifted steadily lower since. Right now, both the 20 and 50 period EMAs are declining overhead, acting as a descending ceiling. That's not a structure that favors buyers. The immediate resistance zone to watch sits between 4,058 and 4,075. That capped price on the last 4-hour close and lines up directly with those declining moving averages. On the downside, the $4,020 to $4,035 band has been providing some overnight support. Below that, $3,990 comes back into play. Now, fundamentals could shake all of this up sharply today. We have PPI data at 8:30. Producer prices are forecast to cool significantly from last month's 1.1% print. Softer inflation generally pressures the dollar, which tends to support gold, but the bigger wildcard is Fed Chairman Warsh testifying at 10. Any hawkish tone could strengthen the dollar and weigh on gold meaningfully. Watch 4,058 to the upside and 4,020 to the downside. Those are your key lines into the New York session. Pound dollar. The chart is showing bullish structure on this session. The 4-hour trend is to the upside and the 1-hour is also pointing higher. Resistance is marked between 1.3435 and 1.3442. Support is marked between 1.337 and 1.3383. Here is the full chart breakdown. Dollar yen. The chart is showing bullish structure on this session. The 4-hour trend is to the upside and the 1-hour is also pointing higher. Resistance is marked between 162.48 and 162.6. Support is marked between 161.95 and 162.1. Here is the full chart breakdown. Aussie dollar. The chart is showing bullish structure on this session. The 4-hour trend is to the upside. Resistance is marked between 0.6994 and 0.7. Support is marked between 0.6972 and 0.6978. Here is the full chart breakdown. Kiwi dollar. The chart is showing bullish structure on this session. The 4-hour trend is to the upside and the 1-hour is also pointing higher. Resistance is marked between 0.584 and 0.5845. Support is marked between 0.5795 and 0.5805. Here is the full chart breakdown. Dollar Canada. The chart is showing bearish structure on this session. The 4-hour trend is to the downside. Resistance is marked between 1.4095 and 1.4108. Support is marked between 1.403 and 1.4042. Here is the full chart breakdown. Pound yen, the chart is showing bullish structure on this session. The 4-hour trend is to the upside and the 1-hour is also pointing higher. Resistance is marked between 217.9 and 218.05. Support is marked between 217.25 and 217.38. Here is the full chart breakdown. That is the New York pre-open analysis from Pip Insight. We covered 8 pairs this session, bringing you the ones with the clearest chart structure. All content is educational only and is not financial advice. If you found this useful, please like and subscribe. We publish 3 times every weekday: London, New York, and the Asian session. Follow us on X at ForexX Insight for updates. See you next time.